Greetings and welcome. This is yours truly, TR Nayari X, and of course, I'm revealing my very first YouTube check. Greetings and welcome another time, family. Yeah. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Greetings to you, the royal family. Greetings to everyone, both visitors and residents. All right, I want to thank you for continued support. I want to say thank you all for being here over and over and over and over again. I'm taking this time out to greet some of my special people. As a matter of fact, you all are special, but I'm going to take some time to thank those who were there in the beginning, from the inception, I want to say. This video is to basically reveal my first ever check from YouTube. And so the journey has been long. It's been tiresome. There were ups and there have been downs, there have been obstacles, there have been all kinds of, misfortunes along the way. But through perseverance, through consistency, and through the friendship of my loyal friends, we were able to arrive at such a day as this, where the revelation of my first ever check from YouTube. Who knew that a day like this would even be here so soon? The days and the nights of toiling and grinding and the sleepless nights and tiresome streams. But I grind. I worked hard. I network. I do all the things that it took to have gotten me to this level and to this day, when I will be walking towards the bank to change my first ever check from YouTube. Are you ready for this? I need to put on those suspension music. Are you ready for the revelation? The revelation of my first ever check is here. Are you ready? All right, let's go. All right. Before I reveal that which you're waiting to see, I want to take the time out to thank some people from the beginning, of this journey. I remember when I started out, it was a struggle to get to the first 100, but I believed that with the power invested in me, it was all possible because God was at the front of the battle. So I believed from the inception that at some point I would have gotten to the first 100, then the first, then 200, then of course 500, and then towards 1K. I celebrated 1K a few months ago, and I continued on to 2K and then to monetization, which is 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours. Yes, grinded all for it. My videos was not really making the cut. My highest video at the time was like 700 views. So I needed to do something to make this journey possible. So for those of you who are still trying to get towards monetization, you've been trying to achieve 1,000 subscribers, it's all possible. It's not as hard as it seems. You just need to find what works for you. You also need to find the time of day that works on your behalf. You need to also find friends or family that will help you to get through this journey. So I want to thank a few people. I should have written the list down, but I'm going to try to pick them from my brain. So I want to thank people like SS Fam, who was like the giant of live streaming back in the day when I was just coming into the business. And then you have people like Royalty Cosmos. Enough respect to you all. You ladies have been super helpful. Then you have like Life with Rosie, you have Carter Zeet, you have Carly Rose, who's my cousin, of course, who that's where I started. As a matter of fact, my first networking stream started the 6th day of Abib. It was April. I started my first what you call it, my first networking stream, which was introduced to me by Carl Rose that day. She invited me over, and by posting it on her WhatsApp, I went there, and lo and behold, that was the beginning of what was to come today. And so we give thanks and gratitude for those people that I started out with. I also want to thank a few other people who gave advice along the way in their live streams as well. So people like Alex Express 3. We have people like Pusha's Studio. We have people like the Ralph, the BNOs, the Deer Park Farmstead, That Grow Stream with Linda, R5 Adventures, who did I miss? Grant McIntosh. You had also in that Grow Train, there was, who am I missing out? Who am I missing out? Boom! You dropped the dose. All these guys, in the Friday Grow Stream, I have to give thanks for them as well. Then there was the girls section of the Grow Train on a Friday, which entails people like, or which include people like, as I said before, the SS Farm, Royalty Cosmos, Voclam, Life with Rosie. There are some other people that I cannot remember from my head. I'm going to write it down, and I'm going to do a second post of gratitude to these people who helped me out in the beginning of the journey. For those who came in the middle section, and for those who came in at the end of, or before now, previously, I must say, I want to also say thanks. But let us jump into what has been the reason for this video. Let's dive into it. All right, so let's take a look. So on this day, a few days ago, I got a mail. Of course, it was a check from YouTube. But before I jump into this check, I want to say a special thank you to a friend of mine who I helped to get to 1K. His name is Crazy Adventure. This guy came, I went to that guy's stream one evening, and he was like at 960 something on his way to 1K, and I visited his stream, and I told him that evening that, hey bro, if you want to get to 1K, you just need to come to my stream tomorrow, and I will take you to 1K, me and the rest of the people in the royal family. And lo and behold, the following day he came, and of course we took him to 1K. That same evening he went on a stream to do a 1K giveaway, and of course, guess who was present in that stream again? TR was present. And so just by being present and saying hello, my name was entered into the, whatever they had, that little pan with names on papers. My name was entered into the grand giveaway, and lo and behold, his daughter went in to pick out the number, and guess whose name came up? All right, time for the revelation. Time for the revelation. So I want to give thanks to his name is Crazy Adventures. He sent me a package that evening. I revealed it on one of my live streams. I want to say big ups to you. Keep on grinding, never stop. There is no reason why you should give up. There is more to continue than those of which you should depend on to give up. So let's jump into it. Are you ready? I am ready. Are you ready? Me ready. Yo, are you ready? Anybody ready? Yeah. Ready? Let's go.